what is search engine optimization? After all, this word SEO is bandied around about quite a bit, and many of you might not actually know what we're trying to do. So this tutorial is designed to help answer that question. As you can see, I'm on Google here, and I have done a search for cell phone deals right here. So now I want to talk about this page and explain to you what we're interested in this page when it comes to search engine optimization. First though, I'm going to tell you what we're not interested in. Let's take a look at this section right here. See this section? This section we're not interested in. These are sponsored links. So to this section over here. Going over here and over here. These are also sponsored links. We are not interested in these two sections. Why not? Because these are the sections that these links right here, somebody clicks on these links, they have to pay Google. Google gets money for this. These are money. And those are the paid search results. And that's something that's, when these results we'd be interested in if we were talking about pay per click, also known as PPC. But we're not interested in pay per click, we're interested in SEO, as you can see here. So therefore, we want to look at this section down here. These are the free results that Google offers. These are the websites that Google shows you even if there's no ads. These are called the natural search results right here. And what we want to know is, why does this site turn up number 1? Here's younevercall.com. In fact, they're here twice. We also want to know why they show up twice, but that's a different question. Why is Wirefly number 2? Why is Let's Talk number 3? What do you have to do to get into this section here? That is basically search engine optimization, but it's slightly more complicated. Let me show you what I mean. Remember I talked about here that we search for the phrase cell phone deals. Let me go over to another search that I did. Let me show you right here. This is a search for Motorola cell phones. Now notice something. I'm going to scroll down just a little bit and notice that the sites that show up are different. These are different URLs. These are different, web pages. So what that indicates to us, and this is something important, is that the results, you obviously know this, but we have to look at it from a marketing point of view as opposed to a user point of view. The results in Google change based on the keywords. Well, that leads to two questions that we have to answer. And let me just move this down here so you can see it a little bit better. And that is, we have to ask ourselves, what terms do we want to rank for? After all, the whole idea of search engine optimization is that we are going to optimize our website. Here we have our website, right? And this is a page, and then I have another page on my website, and I want these pages to be optimized, for the search engines. Well, that sounds nice, but it's not 100% accurate. It's not that I want the pages to be optimized for the search engines. I want the pages to be optimized for particular terms that people are going to search for on the search engines. And so the first question, or one of the first questions that we have to ask is, what terms do we want to optimize our site for? What terms do we want to rank for? Related to that is, what terms can we rank for? But we'll get to that more when we talk about our keyword tutorials. The second question that we have to ask is how? What do we have to do to rank well for these terms? It's very nice to know what I want to rank for. This is a what question right here. What do we want to rank for? But then once we know the what, we then have to say how. What do I have to do to rank well? So search engine optimization is nothing more than just figuring out what terms you want to rank for in the search engines, and then designing your site in such a way that you will rank for those terms. That's what we mean by optimization. The optimization refers to your website. It also refers to the links coming into your website. But that's what search engine optimization is. Search engine optimization is that you're going to go and rank highly. Here's you're going up high in the search engines because you've made your site optimized for particular terms, search terms. Well, that's the first tutorial. I hope that's helpful, and continue on. There's going to be more tutorials. That's it for now. Moshe Morris from SEM Basics. Be well. Bye bye.